nowhere in the top 20, and suddenly he is at the 11 to 17 range. So, Professor, does Duterte have anything to do with this?
I mentioned before in your program that we can't really discount the Duterte magic. As I've said, that it tends to be sticky, and this is what perhaps the fourth electoral cycle in which the Duterte magic since 2016.
Dalawang mga tanga. Ina-analyze nila ang manipulated at peaking resulta ng Pulse Asia Survey. Isang sikat na journalist at isang political expert kuno sa UP. Political scientist ay naniniwala sa peaking survey na ayon sa bali-balita na kumakalat ay binayaran ng 100 million pesos ni Bongo. Hindi alam kung manipulated o hindi. Pag pinagdidiskusyonan pa ninyo yan ay nagkikreate lamang kayo ng bandwagon effect, at hindi alam nyo namang masama magpalakad ng gobyerno ang Duterte. Nag-iwan ng $13 trillion na utang at talagang minadjik ang pera. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Kapaeng, comment, like, and share, and thank you for watching.